Hey everyone, welcome back to part 8 of our C and WinForms 2026 Masterclass. So far in this series, we've built clean layouts, worked with controls, images, resources, and created professional-looking Windows applications using modern Net 10. But today, we're taking your apps to the next level. Because a real desktop application is not just buttons and text boxes. It needs proper navigation. It needs structure. It needs usability. Today you'll learn how to work with Menu, Tool, and ContextMenuStrip. And by the end of this video, your WinForms apps will feel like real professional Windows software. Let's jump in. Let's start with the classic MenuStrip, the top navigation bar you see in almost every desktop application. In the toolbox, find MenuStrip and drag it onto your form. And just like that, Visual Studio automatically docks it at the top. Now you'll see this little Type Here area. Click it and start typing your first main menu item. Let's create. File. Edit. Help. Under File, we'll add New. Open. Exit. You can simply click below File and type the sub-items. Now here's the important part. Double-click the Exit menu item. Visual Studio automatically generates a click event for you. Inside that event, we simply write Application Exit. That's it. Now run the application. Click File and then Exit. And your application closes cleanly and professionally. Simple? Yes. Essential? Absolutely. This is the foundation of real desktop navigation. Now let's add something modern users expect, a toolbar. Go to the toolbox and drag a ToolStrip onto your form. Click the small arrow in the top right corner of the ToolStrip and choose Insert Standard Items. You'll instantly get common icons like New, Open, Save, Print. You can also add your own buttons and assign images from your resources, which we learned in Part 7. A toolstrip gives quick access to frequently used actions. Think of it as shortcut buttons for power users. Now let's connect functionality. Double-click the new toolstrip button and add message box show, new file clicked. Run the application. Click the toolbar button. Works perfectly. Now let's add something that really improves user experience, right-click menus. These are called ContextMenuStrip. Drag a ContextMenuStrip onto your form. It appears in the component tray at the bottom. After that we need also a text box. So take it from the toolbox and place it on the form. Now add items to the context menu like copy, paste and delete. Select a text box on your form. In the Properties window, find the property called ContextMenuStrip and assign your newly created menu to it. Now double-click the copy item and add Clipboard set text textbox 1.text. Run the application. Right-click inside the text box. And boom, your custom context menu appears. Click Copy. Now your app behaves like real Windows software. This small detail makes a huge difference in usability. So that are just the basics. I set you this video build a notepad clone with Windows Forms C# to this description. So just to see this stuff in action. Now let's think like application designers. A professional app combines all three systems. MenuStrip for structured navigation, ToolStrip for quick access, ContextMenuStrip for contextual actions. Imagine a simple notepad-style application. File, open toolbar, open button, right-click, text editing options. All of them trigger the same logic. This keeps your application consistent. And consistency is what makes software feel polished. When multiple UI elements reuse the same event handlers, your project stays maintainable and scalable. That's especially important as your applications grow bigger. Before we wrap up, here are some pro tips for clean and modern menus. Use icons inside menu items for better visual recognition. Group related features under logical submenus. Disable items when they're not usable by setting enabled equals false. Keep context menus minimal and relevant. Don't overload them. Good UI design is not about adding more. It's about adding the right things. Alright, amazing work. Your WinForms applications are officially leveling up. In the next part of the series, we'll dive into working with timers in WinForms, opening the door to clocks, animations, background tasks, and dynamic UI behavior. If this video helped you, make sure to like it so more developers can find the series. Subscribe if you're serious about mastering C# and modern WinForms in 2026. And tell me in the comments, what kind of desktop app are you building right now? Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in part 9.